23 elections, to be very honest, we thought we'll get at least 12 to 14 seats, whole state. But then that came down to only 5. In Kasi and Jaintia, we only got 1 seat. That was my seat. So, after analyzing the entire situation and seeking the opinion of the electorate who were inclined towards TMC, they came to a conclusion that it is very difficult to promote TMC in the Kasi and Jaintia. So, we have tried hard, I've tried to connect, but the response is very, it's not good, not encouraging, it's very discouraging. So now the next question you will ask, what will you do in 28? So let us reach 2028 first. Well, I'll see. As of now, I'm TMC. I will remain there till the end of the term. Now at that time, I will have to really think as to what to do. If I don't contest from the TMC, because if I don't have the base, everybody contests to win, no one contests to lose. So if the base is not there, then I'll have to seek an option depending on the inputs I get from the ground from my supporters. Well, it'll be good if they do an audit to find out what has actually been done, what is left to be done, and how do we do it. So that the government can have an audit. They can have an internal audit for that matter. Because everybody wants development. Now there may be some impediments, hurdles. So how do you overcome that? That the government has to sit and burn the midnight oil and discuss and debate about it. And fix accountability or responsibility or whatever you may to see that if there was any public money spent, was it judicially done so? That means accountability. That comes under accountability.